I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the console and the app so pairing works reliably. Make sure your Xbox and the Xbox app are on the same Wi-Fi and that you're signed in to the same Microsoft account. This establishes authentication. Once done, update both the console OS and the app so features match. Then, on the console, set power mode to instant on and enable remote features. This allows the app to discover and wake the console. Now open the Xbox app to begin connecting. You now move into discovery and pairing. In the Xbox app, tap the Connect or Consoles tab so it scans your network. This finds consoles advertising remote features. If discovery fails, choose Add a Console and enter its local IP address. This forces a direct connection. When the console shows a pairing code on screen, type that into the app to authenticate the session. Once paired, the app lists the console. Make sure Remote Play or Streaming is enabled before you attempt to stream games. You finish by starting Remote Play and verifying controls and quality. Select Stream or Play from the console entry in the Xbox app, then test input and audio. Adjust streaming bitrate in settings if latency or artifacts appear. If the controller won't pair, try pairing it to the console first and then the app, or use Bluetooth/USB as needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing fails, confirm Instant On is active. Both devices share the same network, and that NAT type isn't restrictive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.